Hi and welcome. Today I'm going to be changing the front brake pads in my Benelli 1130 TnT. Now mine is a 2006 Sport model, so it's actually got these radial mount calipers which have 4 individual pads rather than the twin pads of the standard model. Now before we get started, it's always a good idea to check the fluid level in the master cylinder first, because if you've topped up the master cylinder after the pads have started wearing, there is a chance that when you retract the pistons on the caliper that the master cylinder may overflow. So it's a good idea to check that and syringe out some fluid if need be. If you do have a spill, you can wipe it up with a cloth. You can also use a bit of methylated spirits to assist in cleaning up any spilt brake fluid. You certainly don't want to leave it on your paintwork for any length of time because it could damage it. So the first thing we need to do is remove the 2 spring clips and pins. Now to remove the pads, we need to push down on these retaining springs here. There's one for each pair of pads, and pull out the 2 pins. There's one on each pair here. Next we need to retract the pistons back into the caliper so we can put the new pads in. I'm actually using a circlip tool here, and we'll just do them one pair at a time. So I'll just push that pair in. Now we'll just insert the 2 pads here. Retract the bottom pair. Now I'll just refit the springs and pins. And that's done. Now we've done the left hand side, we just need to repeat that procedure on the right hand caliper. And once you're done, just remember to pump the brake lever a few times to reseat those new pads on the disc, and then top up the brake fluid if necessary. And also, when you do take the bike out on the road, just go easy for the first few kilometres just to allow those pads to bed in properly. Well, that's it for this particular video. It's a little bit short, but it is what it is. I'll catch you next time.